Hey guys, got a little video for y'all again. Doing a little something different this time. Before I start this video, hit that subscribe button if you don't mind, and pass it on to your friends, to people to watch my channel. The more views, the more subscribers, means a lot to me. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. It took me about 2 years, almost 3 years to get to this point. I don't know how far my channel is gonna grow. I'm trying my best, trying new things. I'm trying my best to put good videos. If y'all want to see something, just leave a comment below. If you want me to make a video or something, I'll try my best to do it. I still build Honda transmissions. I know I haven't been making no videos of them lately. It's just I haven't had none to do. Parts have been very expensive. I've been doing a lot of Chevrolet transmissions, to be honest with you right now. And just a lot of odds and ends stuff. But yes, I still build Honda transmissions. So if y'all got a question, want me to make a video or something, I'll put it in my notes. And when it comes up in the list, I will make a video of it. The main thing is, a lot of y'all are asking where do I get my parts from. So this one I'm going to show y'all today. Where do I get my parts? I get my part. My cat's coming to the door. I get my parts from two companies. One is Oregon Performance Transmissions. And before I say any more, I'm not sponsored. They are not paying me for nothing. I'm just recommending them because they have done me right. Perfect. Everything I order from them has been right every time. No defective parts. If I have an issue of anything, the customer service is the best. So, if anybody from the Oregon Performance Transmission place, if you see my video, hit my subscribe button and whatever. The other one is Gillspeed Transmissions. They're out of California. I get a lot of my Honda parts from them. They okay. The shipping is a little slow on them because I'm going to show you on the computer in a minute, like the prices and how everything works out. But the shipping is kind of slow sometimes. If you want to overnight it, they ship by FedEx. I wish they shipped by UPS. UPS is faster. Oregon ships by UPS all the time. If you want to overnight that rebuild kit, if you order it, I try to order my stuff on a Monday or Sunday. If you order it Sunday, they're going to ship it out Monday, and it's going to be at your doorstep Tuesday, half the time. No later than Wednesday. If it's late, if you overnight it and gets in that plane, and it's supposed to be at your doorstep Tuesday or Wednesday, and you get it Thursday, they will refund you the darn shipping right there. So either UPS will actually refund you, basically, because they was late on their end. If a package gets lost, Oregon will send another one out, no questions asked. But yes, I kind of got sidetracked for there. But going back to Gillspeed. Gillspeed's okay, but I have had issues in the past where I ordered something and they never took it off my credit card. Or they took the money off my credit card, but for some reason they put the money back on my card. And I called them and I'm like, it was a mistake? Because I'm an honest person. I don't want to take free parts, you know what I mean? Well, the customer service didn't know what happened. They don't know nothing. I'm like, okay. Well, 4 months down the road, it was a charge on my account for Gillspeed. I'm like, what? So it was a long process going back and forth with my bank and stuff. And they tried to basically, on their end it showed that I paid for it, but their system tried to take it off my card a second time. So just be careful of gear speed. I ain't saying the parts are totally trash. I got Hondas on the road right now that are still kicking butt. But yes, let me turn y'all around. Now I'm gonna show y'all the process. I'm gonna show y'all organ first, and then we'll go to gear speed. See here. Hopefully y'all can see. Let me back y'all up. Holy crap. Let's see here. Hopefully my phone will pick up this computer monitor. If not, I'll have to switch to my gaming monitor. Alright, so yes. We're going to go to Organ Performance Transmissions right here. OTP. Organ Performance Transmissions. So it shows everything up top. You can get the rebuild manuals. You can get the manual from any make and model right here. We'll get to that in a minute. Shift kits. But yeah, it's good rebuild kits. Let's just say we'll go to Chevrolet. Okay? Alright. I do a lot of 4L60s. So 4L60 right here. And here's the standard kit right here. $139. You get all this. You get the clutches, band, filter, and all. But it ain't that simple yet. Okay, guys? I have been ordering the one down here, the $600 one. You get the torque converter and all the other stuff together. Shift kit and stuff. But yeah, we go right here. We click on that one. So, let's see here. Now, it's all this right here. This is what I like about organ, okay? You can pick what all extra you want in the kit. So, let's just say we're working on a 2001 4x4. So we go right here to 97 to 03 4x4, and you see it's an extra $41. The reason it's an extra $41 because the clutches are a little thicker. Stuff is different. Seals and stuff will be different in that kit. Alright. Steel plates. If you need the steel plates, fine. If not, you leave them out. 3/4 clutch pack upgrade. If you want to put a Z-pack in it, right here. Extra $153 for a Z-pack. Shift correction kit. The second gear servo. If you want a Corvette servo, here you go. All this stuff you can add. Pinless accumulators. You can add all this stuff. Bushings. Every bushing in the case. $24. Every bushing that transmission takes. The torque converters, I don't get torque converters from them often. They are good. I'm not saying they are bad. But the torque converters are not cheap. As you can see. Not cheap. But you get what you pay for, and that's why they're so expensive. Good converter. Like I said before, I'm not sponsored from this company. I order a lot of parts from them. If they ever give me an opportunity to be sponsored by them, I will love it. But yes, that's all the stuff on the Chevrolet end. Now let's back up. Let me back up one. We'll just go back up to the kits. Let's see if we want to go to Honda. Where we at? Hold on one second, guys. I got sidetracked. Here we go, over here. I'm blind today. Let's go to Honda. Okay? This right here shows every Honda transmission that Honda has on the road. The 4L30, that's basically just like a Chevrolet 4L60. But we're going to go to, let's say, a BGRA. So we found BGRA on the list right here. Let's see here. Give me 1 second. Let me pause y'all for 1 second. Alright, so I found the BGRA. So that's going to be in the 06 Honda Odyssey. The 08, just about. 05 to 06. See here, see look, they even went up on the price. It's been a while. This kit used to be $258. They went up an extra $100. Everything is going up now, guys. They give you two options. It gives you the BGRA Odyssey Master Kit, and then you get the one over here. This one right here don't come with everything. Okay? You always get this one right here. So once again, you can pick what you want. It's not going to ask you for the application on the Hondas, because Honda goes by the transmission codes all the time. If your transmission code does not match what's on this, if your transmission code does not match what's on this, it's not the right kit. So once again, what I always do in the Hondas, always add the external filter. Look at that. External filter is $7. That filter right there alone is $35 at the parts store. Alright. Bushings, always get your bushings. Shift kit, I do add the Superior shift kit on it because it does help the lubrication. The dual linear solenoid are very expensive, generally on Honda, as you can see. Shimmery lube, cooler line flush, the converter. The one-way clutch, the Sprag, always replace that on your Hondas. Alright. But yeah, this is a bright idea of what I go on. Okay, it's always the same stuff. So, like I said, it's OTP, Oregon Performance Transmissions. This is the main one I order most of my stuff from. So I mean electronics, transmission coolers, you name it. I mean, everything is here. Okay, guys? Alright, so the next one I'm going to show y'all is going to be gear speed. And it's going to look like this when she loads. Gear speed, parts, and performance. You go over here and click on online store. And their website is slow 90% of the time. I think my laptop over here is updating the game. That's why my thing is going slow. We'll find out in a minute. We've been having internet problems here lately too. That's one of the other reasons why we have not been uploading videos often. But yes, here's gear speed. They have changed their website since last time I've been on here in a while. But it's the same process. Look. So gear speed is all Hondas. Okay? All Hondas. There ain't no Chevrolet on here. It's all Hondas. So automatic kits. We go right here to Accord. We'll just say Honda Accord. See? This is what they offer for their Accord here right now. Oregon offers the more years. Let's just say 2003, 2007 Accord. So once again, you got all your stuff. So $117, you get the seals, but you don't get the clutches. And then you got to pay attention. Right here it says large third drum, large third gear drum. That's what you got to pay attention to. After 05, starting in 05, I meant to say, is when they went to the large third gear drum because they was having issues of third gear blowing up. But it's basically the same process. You just click on one, and when you click on one of these, it don't give you the option what you want with it. You can add, I think you can add stuff with it, maybe. Sometimes, no, you can't no more. Okay. But yes, see. So, but yeah, gear speed. Here's their prices, $227, and they're gonna charge you a lot of probably $40 to ship it. So I meant to tell y'all, on Oregon Performance, shipping is free. So if let's say the part says I'm just gonna say random number, $220 for the kit. That's how much comes off your card. It's $220. They don't charge you no tax. Unless it's probably already included, whatever. But they don't charge you no tax, no shipping. If you choose standard 2 to 8 day shipping, I choose standards all the time. I always get the kit in 4 days, 4 to 5 days half the time. So, but yeah, if you want overnight it's like an extra $80. So, Oregon Performance is the one I usually use the most. Gearspeed, they're going to charge you tax and they're going to charge you that shipping. So, I ain't talking crap about Gearspeed, but I just want to let y'all know these are the places I get my stuff from. There is a company here, so I'm in North Carolina, so there is a company up the road I use. It's a transmission shop. They help me sometimes. I occasionally get some stuff from them. But it ain't no website you can go on or anything. I gotta literally walk in the door. So, probably wherever y'all live at, if you see a transmission shop near your house or something that has good reviews, you can go to say, look, hey, I need this and this and this for this transmission, and they'll more likely order it for you and give you the kit. But that's it, guys. That's the video that I wanted to show y'all. People have been asking where I get my parts from. I've been replying to comments. I have been replying to comments. But just to make sure that y'all understand what I'm talking about, this is the websites I go on. So, but check them out. Like I said, check out Oregon Performance. If you want parts for any transmission, it's going to be on there. So, Honda, Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, any transmission is going to be on there. I'm not saying I'm a professional builder either. I don't know if I mentioned that before. I ain't no professional building any transmission. I just learned from a lot of mistakes. Y'all can do the same. If y'all want to learn how to build a transmission, take one apart sometime. Take pictures. Just look, see how it works. I have got the books. I mean, there's not a book for all the Hondas. Honda transmissions, it's hard to find the books for them. So, I don't got the big heavy duty cleaning equipment and everything like other shops have. But, I mean, my customers are happy. And I got a lot of cars on the road. A lot of Hondas I built and Chevrolets too. So, I just want to put that out there. I ain't no professional. So, I'm just trying to show y'all what I know and what worked for me. And things I've seen over the years of doing these transmissions. I mean, you take two apart. One might not be going to third gear. You say, okay, that one ain't going to third gear. It's the same problem. You open it up, it might be an explosion went off in the thing. But anyways, guys, if you want the videos to keep coming, hit that subscribe button, please. Share my video to people and get the views up. I need views and more subscribers. The more subscribers I get and the more views, the more videos I keep pushing out. So, I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day, people.